And you guys, I'm not lying about the iPhone 6. I actually got it. And yeah, so I'm not actually joking. I actually do got it. And I will show it to you guys. But at the moment I can't because you know, I have to, yeah. And you guys, I might not make a video for the next 2 weeks because I am moving somewhere far away. I might be wrong, probably like 4, 3, 2, 1, probably like 6 days, you guys. Can it last that long? Okay, thank you. And can you guys support my channel too? And sorry about that, that's my parrot. Go away, go away. Hey, go away. Stop attacking the camera, go away. Sorry guys, that's my bird. Go away. I'm sorry, I accidentally zoomed in. And yeah, so yeah. Go away. I'm trying to make a video here. Sorry, that's my thumb. Hey, go away. Freaking the bird keeps on making me zoom in. You guys have to end the video because the bird is attacking the camera. Go away. I'm sorry, you guys. I'll make a, you stupid freaking bird. Go away. Alvin, go away. Go away, Alvin. That was my thumb. I'm sorry. But the bird was attacking the camera like that. Sorry, I accidentally zoomed in. And yeah, so I'll be giving a giveaway and yeah. Go away. Freaking bird. Go away. Go away. Bye, you guys.